This is an application called Memo, and if you've ever wanted to learn a language but have just been a little too bored by the process, well, this is an app designed to help. Now, to be specific, the app is all about learning Spanish as a language, but the way it makes itself unique is by teaching you the language through memes. This means you can learn the most relevant words and phrases used by Spanish speakers, but in a funny, unintimidating way. The app is pretty new in its development cycle, so keep that in mind, but without a doubt, I really like the concept. All right, from there we have Atomus, and if you're someone who has any sort of stress in your life, then this app is sure to help. As you can see, as I swipe on my phone's display, this mesmerizing animation follows my fingers' movements to form this Atomus style shape. But then as I touch more of my fingers onto the display and move them around, the animations will adjust to create these incredibly striking visuals. It's super addictive and oh so relaxing. Notification Shortcuts is yet another incredible app by one of my favorite developers, Renoir, and this is an app that has the potential to seriously level up your phone's functionality. And that's because it allows you to add up to 12 of your favorite applications to your notification panel for really quick access. Not only that, but if you have Renoir's incredible Shortcut Maker application installed on your phone, then you can also add custom shortcuts and customize the icons really easily. Another neat app for organizing groups of applications is called Folder Widget. But instead of adding apps to your notification shade, Folder Widget instead lets you place them on your home screen, but in these cute little boxes. And you can then resize the boxes or change their grid sizes to allow for more or less shortcuts. There's also this cool overflow option, meaning you can make the last icon in your folder act as a shortcut to an additional page filled with any number of apps that you like. It's just another fun and unique way to clean up your home screen, so definitely worth a try. All right, this next app is called Fox Magisk Module Manager. And for those of you with a rooted phone, this app makes it outrageously easy to find and manage Magisk modules. So for context, Magisk Manager is an application that handles the key aspects related to rooting your phone, but a year or so ago, it removed the inbuilt module manager, meaning you then had to start sourcing all of your Magisk modules outside of the app. And so Fox Magisk Module Manager has been designed to fill that void. It collects Magisk modules from a few key repositories, which means the app will always be getting updated with new modules. You can then search for and browse through all of these modules and even install them without leaving the app, which is really cool. And so if you're someone with a rooted phone, this app is, in my mind, an absolute must-have. Now, if you've ever heard of the app Firefox Screenshot Go, but have wanted an updated version that is not stuck in beta testing, well then, Screeny is the app for you. This app has the exact same concept as Screenshot Go, which means it'll scan and index any text in the screenshots stored on your phone, allowing you to then quickly search through every single screenshot on your phone using keywords. And that's about it. It works really well and is being actively updated by the developer, so a worthwhile replacement for the Firefox version. After that is Renoir, which is a pretty niche little companion app for the KWGT application that can help to level up your home screen setups. So let's say you have a widget on your home screen that looks pretty great, but that just doesn't match your wallpaper very well. Well, Renoir is an application that uses Android 13's color extracting system, Monet, to generate color palettes based on your phone's current wallpaper. Anytime you change your wallpaper, you can then just open up the app and it will automatically update itself with a range of color palettes that are complementary to the wallpaper you've just set. You can then just tap on one and it will automatically copy the color code to your clipboard, which you can then use to customize your widgets as need be. And speaking of wallpapers, if you're interested in trying out a really minimal live wallpaper, then Hexa Bloom is one of the most stunning options I've ever come across. You can choose from 4 different grid patterns and then a bunch of different theming options, and then you just set it as your wallpaper and enjoy the amazing results. The wallpaper will animate ever so slightly in the background, it'll also respond to your touches, and it'll even shift perspectives as you move your phone around. In and of themselves, the wallpapers look fantastic, but then with that added animated component to them, it just takes them to another level. All right, second to last is an incredibly sleek icon pack from one of the most prolific icon pack creators you'll come across, and this one is called Plume Red. This app is filled with red, white, and gray icons that, in combination with the right wallpaper, will make any home screen setup look phenomenal. There are currently just over 2,600 icons supported, with more being added all the time. Plus, the app also has 26 wallpapers that look amazing in conjunction with the icons. Worth a look if you're wanting a fresh home screen setup that looks super unique. And so finally today we have Me Notes, which is a ported version of the stock Notes application found on devices running MIUI. Now, back when I reviewed the Xiaomi 12 a couple of months ago, I couldn't help but notice how impressive the stock Notes app was, thanks almost purely to its design. And so ever since, I've been on the lookout for a ported version that works on non-MIUI devices. And I finally found one. Now, it is a modded app, so as always, tread carefully, but it works pretty well and is a great insight into how clean the stock MIUI note-taking app is. Well worth trying out, if only just to admire this beautiful audio note-taking animation. And that is it. Now, as always, a huge thank you to the developers on screen right now, as they've all been kind enough to give my channel members a promo code to the premium versions of their apps. So if you like the sound of getting a bunch of premium apps for just the price of a punnet of strawberries every single month, then all you need to do is sign up as a channel member, which you can do so using the link below. Aside from that, if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel would be greatly appreciated. But that's it. Thank you all very much for watching, and I will catch you later.